How to hide chat messages using your phone. Click Google, search for Chrome, and then go to your YouTube studio, this. Then click Continue to Studio. Yeah. So this is your dashboard. Okay, we make it bigger. Click Content. There. Then click the video from your wait again, click content. Okay, we make it smaller. Go to live, and then choose the video that you want the chat messages to be hidden, or you want to change the setting. So click the specific video, example this. Okay, so this is the video details. So now go to your left side corner, choose up customization, and there you go. You will see stream customization, and unclick live chat and save. Then now it's done. So I will check that specific video. The lightweight, I will show you. I will choose the live video that where I've hidden the chat replay. So here you will see it says live chat replay was turned off for this video. So it was successful. So if you want to hide the chat messages during the replay, during the live streaming, you can do it following my instruction. Thank you. If you want to use your laptop, go to your sign into your YouTube channel and go to your dashboard, and so this is my dashboard. Dashboard, go to your dashboard and then go to content and then choose live videos. I will choose the same video. So this is the page, and to hide the messages, chat messages during the live stream, go to customization, and here I already turned it off a while ago. So now it is turned off. what if I change my mind that I want to show my live stream chat messages? Just go click it once again and then save. Don't forget to save. Okay. So now my live chat replay will still be visible. Okay, we go and check it. Okay, so go and click your let us view it on the YouTube. See, then now this is the video and it will read show chat replay there. Again, I will unclick it. I'm still on this same page to unclick the live chat replay. Okay, we will hide it again and then save. We're playing. Save. Okay, we go back, huh? So we hide it. We did the setting and it says why is it blurry? Wait, you don't, it's blurred. Okay, okay, can't. There. It says live chat replay was turned off for this video. So now you know how to do it on the laptop and on the phone, on the DSM. So next time, if you want to hide, you hide, or just leave it open, you can do so. Okay, thank you for watching my tutorial how to I'm doing my how to hide chat messages during the live stream. Thank you for watching.